Hey, welcome back everyone. My name's Kayla and today I'm going to do a makeup look based off of makeup artist on Instagram named Olga Don. The makeup look is called Frosty Sunset. It's beautiful. It is literally how it is described. I'll also drop her Instagram down below so you can check it out and the inspiration picture along with it. Let's get started. First thing I'm doing is going in with the Hourglass Veil Primer. Next, going in with one of my favorite eye creams. This is the Origins Ginseng Eye Cream. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the peach shade just to do the color correcting under my eyes. I think I'm gonna have to get a new foundation soon. I've been using this one for way too long. This is the Lancome Skin Feels So Good Hydrating Skin Tint, and it has SPF 23, which is great for when you're living in a sunny place and you don't feel like putting sunscreen on, but when it's already in your makeup, you don't even have to think about it. Look at this foundation, it's just so beautiful. I love it. Next step is just set a little bit of the foundation in areas that I tend to get a little shinier using the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder, and this is in shade 1. She has a lot of freckles. I'm not sure if they're natural, but they look super natural to me. And I want to create that same effect of faded freckle. I use an eyeshadow, and I'm using the Foolproof Brow Powder from Benefit, and this is shade 3. I am so not used to seeing myself with this many freckles. Next step we're doing is applying bronzer. I'm using the Sephora Bora Bora bronzer. So now we're gonna go into blush, and I'm using my favorite NARS palette. This is the Narcissist Unfiltered Cheek Palette. Mix a little bit of this and a little of that. And then use this highlighting shade to highlight the high points on my face. I'm using 2 products for my eyebrows. The first one is the Benefit Gimme Brow in shade 3. Another Benefit product that I use for the freckles, I'm using for my eyebrows and just to kind of define the edges. To make them a little bit cleaner and sharper, I'm going to use my Graftobian palette, the HD Glamour Cream Super Palette in neutral. Light a shade with a angled brush. I'm using the NARS blush palette again to start with the base for my eye look. Brighter shade here. Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and I'm using this yellow shade to put right in the inner corner of my eye. Using that same palette and the same brush, I'm using this orange shade, and I'm just going to apply that on most of my lid, but leaving this outer portion of that first color where it is. Now going to use this bright pink color to go along the edges of the orange shade. Alright, now we're going to go under the eye and apply first the orange, and then we're going to go in with the pink. Okay, now we have to add the ice to the sunset, or the frost to the sunset, because it's called the Frosty Sunset. And I'm using that lighted concealer shade.
Sorry, you have to cut that out.
I'm not going to, because it's really important what I just did.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
I just did like the most important part of my makeup look when you walked in, so like now you're a part of it.
Oh, you can do the other eye.
I am doing the other eye. We're going into the Sephora Pro palette, and this is the Editorial 2.0 edition. And we're using this one very nice light blue shade called Pegasus. I'm gonna tap this over where you just put your concealer. Then I'm using Psychic. Alright, now that the eyeshadow is applied, we're going to go in and fill in the lash line a little bit with Makeup Forever Aqua Excel Pencil M10. Next, we're applying a false lash, and this is the Paris Hilton Lashes Make Life Better. And we're gonna go and first measure them to your eye shape. So you start by applying the inner portion of the lash to where you want it to stop on the inner side of the eye, and then you see where there's any extra lashes hanging off the end of the eye, grab that, and that's where you're gonna cut it. While we wait for the lashes to dry, we're going to go into lips. This is the color L2 by Natasha Denona. And I'm going to go in with Natasha Denona L17. Okay, next I'm going to create my own lip shade using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette, Volume 1. A little bit of this color, this color. Topping it off with the Milk Makeup Face Gloss. And to finish this look off, we're adding the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. And that completes my Olga Dawn Frosty Sunset makeup look. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to check back in next week for my next makeup video. Thank you, like and subscribe.